Okay, so I'm here today to demonstrate a little bug that is related to latency in villages. As you can see, I have got the village in such a state that it didn't register my previous deletion. I had set up an additional building to be deleted, and instead of it actually registering with the servers, it was apparently dropped. The packet that was containing that information was dropped and the server never received it. But see, on my client end, the game believes that that building is being deleted. So when you try to delete another building, it just automatically disappears from the map. So as you can see right now, I'm simply running through the entire map and removing buildings, and it looks like I have some sort of access to an instant delete, but that isn't the case. If I actually reload the game, this game world, all the buildings will reappear because I'm only removing them from my client. MMOs like this are very server based. All the information comes from the server. A lot of players wonder what causes these sort of aberrant occurrences to take place. You may have experienced negative resources, for example, and that is another symptom of the client becoming out of sync with the server and sort of doing its own thing, going its own way. The best solution, as always, is to simply reload that world, and to a further extent, you could just restart the entire game client if that seems like an easier or better solution to you. You could even restart your entire computer. That is like step one when it comes to troubleshooting computers and the like. Did you restart it? Did you restart the program? Did you restart your computer? And that resolves a lot of these irregularities that you may experience in the game. Another great way to solve irregularities, especially in production, is to simply power cycle all of your village workshops or buildings. I see this question crop up quite frequently in the forums, where it appears that the output from a workshop is far less than what is expected, or even more than expected, and there are players who wonder what exactly is wrong with the game. I would say 99% of the time it is a bug that's brought on by a request timeout of the sort that happened here, where the information didn't actually go to the server, so the server didn't send the reply, but the client thinks that it actually deleted that building, and then things just go haywire from there. So the best way, of course, to resolve little kinks like this in the game is to simply go ahead and restart it. So I thought that was kind of cool. You can see all the buildings are pretty much gone now, but not really. And then I'm going to I'm going to disband the merchant here, and you'll see the village, it comes back and all the buildings are there, because that is another way you can refresh villages. You can refresh a village by simply disbanding units, be it army units, be it merchants, scouts, monks, they all count. So there you have a little bit of a bug report and a mini tutorial. I hope players who... Maybe I should turn this into a regular tutorial. Yeah, that might work. So I hope this helped someone out there who might run into problems like this and be unaware of the easiest solution to it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.